School supplies can explode if they come from Minecraft or Fortnite. Watch out! You can turn boring classes into a game if you have the right school supplies. Rosie always has a fun Fortnite banana with her. Crumple foil into a banana shape. Trim the tip. Hot glue a short pencil instead. Cover the piece with thick yellow foam paper. Take legs and arms off a broken toy. Paint them yellow and fasten them to the banana. Make eyes with hot glue. Color them with acrylic paints. Paint a red mouth. This banana just makes you want to dance. Dance your way towards the desk. And then this banana can write a note for your classmate. But Ben doesn't like it at all. That's okay, I've got something better. Where is my Enderman eraser? Cut a few block-shaped black erasers into pieces. Cut out 2 short and 4 long ones. Make hollows for eyes in 1 block. Attach pieces of lavender colored eraser. Hot glue Enderman's head and body together. Add pupils with a purple ballpoint pen. Enderman quickly destroys the message from his enemy. Ben starts teleporting over the entire room like Enderman with this eraser. He scares the girls! He even finds the skull of the oldest player. Wow! This Enderman eraser is way more fun than a regular banana pencil. Enough games! Mr. Sebastian says we are taking a test. What a twist! Ben wasn't prepared. Ben is probably going to lose this round. But Ben comes up with a way out. Let's use a potion of invisibility. Hot glue cardboard squares and rectangles to make a little tray. Put a tube of whiteout into it. Fill the gaps with hot glue. Attach a bigger box on top. Cover it with a square frame. Attach a smaller detail on top of it. Put on a cap made from blocks of different sizes. Print out a pixel image of a potion of invisibility. Cut it into parts and glue them to the tube. A whiteout potion? Now that's an upgrade of the latest version. Ben immediately fixes his low grade, but the rest of the players quickly detect the trick. Ben is cheating! That's not fair! The teacher takes the test away. His marshmallow will bring everything back into its place. Cut a cylindrical cardboard container. Paint it black inside and outside. Cut a strip of polyethylene foam to fit around the tube. Draw Marshmallow's eyes and mouth on it. Cut them out with a modeling knife. Attach the top layer to the tube. Put school supplies into it. Justice is served! Ben, it's time for you to improve your level of knowledge. Ben is dreaming. He imagines his own version of the game. I'm the strongest in this classroom. No, in the entire school. Because I have a diamond sword. Put square beads to shape a Minecraft sword. Hot glue them together. Color the bead pixels with acrylic paints. Use Minecraft colors. Coat it with acrylic polish. Hot glue a little utility knife to one side. Ben is ready to strike all the teacher mobs. Hey, wake up, Minecraft boy! Jessica asks her classmate for a utility knife. Take my trusty diamond sword. It can handle any kind of paper. Rosie has a magical blue mushroom, which can easily transform into a glue stick. Hot glue a half of a plastic ball to the cap of a glue stick. Add more hot glue inside to make the cap of the mushroom more 3D. Press in gills with the heated nozzle of the glue gun. Coat the mushroom with acrylic primer. Paint it blue. Color the bottom of the cap with gold acrylic paint. Use a dry brush to paint the gills a dark shade. Make the bottom of the stem darker. It turns out this mushroom can do more than just glue paper together. The Fortnite mushroom makes a protecting shield. Now no one can get close enough to Jessica to copy her test. And even the diamond sword from Minecraft won't help you here. Rosie and Ben are always quarreling. Jessica can't just sit by and watch her friends fighting. Like a true peacekeeper, she gives Ben a Fortnite first aid kit. Prime a lunchbox. Cover the sides with painter's tape. Make a cross out of tape on top. Color the box with red acrylic paint. Take the tape off when the paint is dry. Put pots of gouache paint into the lunchbox. It turns out there are bright paints inside. It's a set for art therapy. Painting heals all wounds. And where is Rosie's gift? Here, take a chest from Ben's favorite video game. There are colored crayons inside. Cut the flaps off a box. Wrap the box with paper tape. Coat all the sides. Cut off 1/3 of the box to be a lid. Coat the inside of the box with black foam paper. Cover the outside with sheets of graph paper. Color the squares with different shades of brown acrylic paint. Draw black lines along the perimeter with a marker. Join the lid in the box with rectangular pieces of black foam paper. Paint gray squares on a little strip of cardboard. Attach it to the chest to be a lock. Put in crayons. Now the friends have to use each other's games. Let's create bright paintings, and we won't argue ever again. There are enough pixels for everyone. Ben keeps asking Rosie for school supplies. Did you forget your pencil case? Here, take this explosive Fortnite pencil sharpener. Cut the fastening off a plastic ball with a heated utility knife. Press a hole in the center with the hot nozzle of a glue gun. Hot glue a pencil sharpener inside. Paint the ball black. Draw a grid on it using a pencil. Trace the lines with gray paint. Color separate squares with bright acrylic paints. Cut 2 parts of a grenade tab out of Styrofoam. Smooth them with a nail file. Slightly cut the round base. Turn it over and join it with the handle of the tab. Attach screws cut out of a stick of hot glue. Color the tab with acrylic paint. Attach it to the ball. Hot glue a wire ring. Color the joint with silver acrylic paint. Boom! The boogie bomb explodes right in the gamer's hands. No one warned him that school supplies can be dangerous. Ben prepared a Minecraft explosive in response. Oops! It looks like the detonation was way too strong. Paint a square paper holder red. Cover all the sides of the holder with a printed picture of a Minecraft explosive. Fill the holder with paper. Ben almost blew up the whole school. Even the teacher suffers from the attack. This is unacceptable. Mr. Sebastian eliminates the weapon of mass destruction. What? This is just a paper holder. It can't be. Did you like our creative ideas for school supplies? Then let us know in the comments which school supplies you liked more, Minecraft or Fortnite. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new back-to-school ideas on Troom.